My husband doesn't seem to care that I'm about to give birth to his child, and would rather spend time with his other daughter than see his new one. What hurt the most though is he didn't ask for a single picture of our daughter, or to Zoom to see her. On Friday morning, he told me he'd be missing his flight back as he felt under the weather and didn't want to risk it being COVID and bringing it back. I admit this kind of broke me a little, and when I asked him if he didn't want to come home he told me I was being ridiculous. At this point, I had enough and told him to come back whenever he felt like it. But I'd be staying with my friend with the baby when I got out of the hospital as I needed to think about some things. She had been trying to get me to come stay with her anyway, so I knew it would be fine with her. He simply told me that was fine, and to come back when I'd stop my hissy fit. I'm done. Not once has he asked to see our daughter or even showed concern for either of us following the emergency C-section. I grew up in care, and a mother alone is better than no one, and I know that firsthand. I'm not going to try to make things